And why is it that so regularly we destroy the very thing we love the most? What is up with that? Well, since we're asking the question, let's jump to 3B. For you, how do you respond to a text like this? Are you mad at the narrator? Do you compliment the narrator for saying high five? You taught your brother so unbelievably much by pushing him? And of course, in our own personal lives, let's ask this question. What was the last time that you destroyed something beautiful by trying to make it something not different? A friendship that can be destroyed because we can't appreciate. No. We only listen to the music I like to listen to when we're in the vehicle. Really? What is up with that? Why can't we listen to other kinds of music? Why can't we listen to music you don't like if somebody else likes that? No, that's not the way I roll. I roll this way. Very interesting. Think about the ways in which this story teaches us the power of the different. It's important in our lives to appreciate it. Well, there you go. I hope you've enjoyed the story. The Scarlet Ibis Genius Story.